Hey WordPressers, many of you have received an email from Bluehost letting you know it's time to upgrade your PHP software. So I've gotten some questions on how exactly to do that, and I'm going to show you right here. So if you go ahead and read the email, they have a guide for you, and we're going to go ahead and open that guide. I already have it open in a different window, so I'm not going to click on it again. And it's just letting us know that the server support PHP 7.0 or higher. So I know I was looking at, I think it goes up to like 7.3 or 7.4. Here I'm just going to go to 7.0 because the higher you go, it may or may not affect the theme that you have. And so I just want to do the lowest possible to show everyone how to do it. And then there are some PHP compatibility checkers that you can do on the higher ones to make sure your theme doesn't mess up. And now that you know how to do it, you can go ahead and go higher. And this is the compatibility checker that we will reference later. But the thing I wanted to say is that, as this guy says, most users should use the rock instructions, and that if you have any questions, you can go here to see if you're rock versus legacy. So since I am going to consider myself most users, I'm going to skip legacy instructions and go to the rock instructions. So it says log in your Bluehost, click on advanced. In the software section, click multi PHP manager. Check the box next to the websites the PHP version will apply to, and then choose the version you want and then apply. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. I have already logged into my Bluehost account. I'm clicking on advanced. Just like it said, I'm going to scroll down till I get to the software section. And here's the multi PHP manager that they mentioned. So now that I see my domain and it's inherited at 7.0, maybe we'll go to 7.1. And okay, PHP blah, 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 are deprecated. We recommend that you update it to a supported version. So let's go to 7.2. That'll be the lowest. And then apply. Success. Applied PHP version 7.2 to the selected domain. Okay, there we go, PHP. And that should be all that we need to do to make sure that we are good. So let me see. When I was at my dashboard earlier, there was a little notice that my PHP was old that I no longer see. So we should be good. Okay, cool. As far as the compatibility checker, it's a plugin, so you know how that goes. You want to go to add new if it's not already there. And that's not it. PHP. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing up. But I'm just gonna copy and paste. For you, since it's not already installed, you'll have to install and then activate. Mine is already installed and activated. Oh, wrong thing. And then once it's installed and activated, it's going to be under Tools. You can find it here, PHP Compatibility. And then you can do 7.2, 7.3 and scan your site, and then it'll let you know. I haven't used this, so I don't, I just updated it before I used it. I had it there. But this, for those of you all who don't know whether or not your theme is compatible, you can run this scan and it should help you determine that, or you can just fly, wing it like I did and just go to at least 7.2 and be good to go. So, hope that was helpful. Let's all get updated, and I will see you soon.